Layla, my Layla, my Simba. Where's the clock tower? Layla, my Layla, I see who Layla, my Layla, Layla. Where's the clock tower? Where's the clock tower? Milna Kela. Where's the clock tower? Tell me. Where's? Straight? I see Layla. Where's the clock tower, boss? Clock tower? Clock tower? Clock tower? Tower?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, we don't know.
Not
Sorry.
local, huh?
We're also tourists.
Also tourists? Also tourists? Can you help me, please? Oh, where's the clock tower?
Clock tower.
Yeah. टिप टिप बरसा पानी पानी में आग लगा. Hello, bro.
Fine.
How are you?
Fine, you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana. And you?
I want to go clock tower, so I don't know where's the clock tower. Could you guide me?
Clock tower. When you get to the front, there is a place here. When you move straight, there is a bus station. You can get to the place that you see.
Layla, my Layla, my Simba.
You ask me something, and you are also dancing.
Wait, where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
You ask me something when I'm going, you also dancing. Okay, shit, man.
Excuse me, tell me, bro. What's the problem?
Something, and you are also dancing. Hey, what is the meaning of that? You are asking me.
No, I'm just asking. Where is that place?
When you go straight to me and get to the point, there is a train station. You ask the train station, they will show you. Man, where is this man? Ask him question and dancing.
Layla, my Layla.
Why are you doing that?
Huh? Clock tower?
Clock tower?
Yeah.
How to go that way?
Okay.
What's up?
Where's the clock tower? I don't have internet, so that's why. Come on, tell me. Do you know where's the clock tower? Abu Hill. Abu Hill is this side.
You have to get to bus.
No. The Abu Hill this side or this side?
You have to use metro.
Layla, my Layla, I see Layla, I see where is it?
Well,
Abu Hill this side.
this side, you have to use metro. You have to get you use metro. Okay.
This side is Abu Hill.
Okay, this side, all up. It depends where you have to use metro. Where is this side?
Okay, this side, huh? Thank you very much. Do you know where's the clock tower? Layla, my Layla. Excuse me, boss. Tell me, where's the clock tower? Clock tower? See, straight. The straight is the metro station.